Hello there, my name is Michael Neff. I'm the founder and director of Gears Sports, and this video today is on pelvis and torso turn at the top of our backswing. And if you're watching this video, most likely you got a alarm, a yellow or red flag inside the software saying that you're not turning enough or you're turning too much your pelvis and torso at the top of your backswing. So again, we're defining that as torso is kind of like your rib cage area, center of your chest, and the pelvis is the center of your pelvis is right in between your hips. And basically, if we're not turning enough, there's a couple of really good drills for this. If you're not turning enough, most of you are not turning enough. Most of you not turning enough will be swaying too much, and you'll be lifting too much, or standing up too much, or you'll be extending too much. So the turn thing, again, is we got this little bag here, my handy dandy bag. We'll put it right next to your right foot. And again, we want to make sure that we don't bump into that bag on the backswing, okay? So we're going to turn inside, so you have some space in here. We're going to turn inside the top of your backswing. And then your torso is also turning. And one of the key things that we want to make sure here is that your arms are not bending too much. Your left arm stays relatively straight, and your right elbow kind of stays kind of parallel to the ground in this position. And you want to get as much turn as you can without your head drifting too far back. Some of you aren't flexible enough to do a massive turn. That's okay. We don't need a lot of turn, but we'd like to get as much as we can without losing or without standing up. So a lot of times when you run out of flexibility, your body basically stops turning right there. Then we tend to stand up to try to get more turn. That's a bad thing. Tour players don't do that. We are better off basically keeping a shorter swing and turning as much as we can without our head lifting up off the wall as we can. So the drill for this is basically, again, you're going to put your head kind of against the wall. I got this little handy dandy thing that kind of keeps my head still. I can twist my head, but I don't want it moving up or down too much. I just want to keep it kind of in this general area right here. Okay. And again, I'm not gonna sway too much. I'm not gonna bump into that bag. I'm gonna turn my hips, and I'm gonna turn as much as I can while I keep my head in the same position. So we're gonna get as much turn as you can. And again, if you got a red or yellow flag, it's most likely because you're just lifting up and your arms are collapsing like this and you're not turning. So again, this is a good drill for this. Another good drill would be to put the club across your chest like this and just simply turn as much as you can, again, keeping your head in that good posture, okay? And turn as much as your hips can, or your shoulders and hips can, while you keep your butt on that thing, while you keep your butt on the golf bag. Anyways, that's a good drill. Hope you enjoy that one.